everyone, welcome back to my channel MiMi's Makeup. In this video I'm gonna get unready with you guys. So as you can see, I have this makeup on. It's kind of dramatic one, so I'm gonna remove all these makeup, take off my lenses and take the lashes and remove all the makeup with you. So this is one of my methods that I love to remove the makeup, especially when I have a really heavy one and having this black dark black mascara. This really helps to remove everything and in the same time leave my skin so soft after I finish. So yeah, let's do it together. So of course, for this makeup look, I have a full tutorial for this one. Gonna be in the card description box down below if you want to go and check it out. And then, so yeah, let's go to the video of today. This method is really easy. I have another video for how I remove my makeup. I was trying the Shein clean sponge, which is this one. I have it like here. So I have a full review trying this on camera, and actually this one is really good at removing makeup. I'm gonna link in the card description box down below as well. But this method that I used to do years and years ago, before even like they discovered this kind of a clean sponge, right? So what I'm gonna use now, I'm gonna use this beautiful piece of cotton to use it to clean my face and have a tutorial how to make these cotton babies here without spending lots and lots of money. Will save you so much money doing this. So I'm gonna link in the card description box down below as well. So the main thing we're gonna use in this video is coconut oil. This is a virgin coconut oil. I really like it. I have it from Amazon actually, and I didn't expect it will be original, like the original or virgin coconut oil, but it is. It's, as you can see, it's so hard. It's pretty hot actually, but this one like still hot, so it's a really good one. I really love it, and it smells so good as well. It's coconut. I love coconut. So I'm gonna use this baby here, of course. I'm gonna take just a small piece so it begin to be a little bit liquidy because it began to be hot here in Egypt, and it smells so good. So I love coconut also, and in the same time it really helps to remove all the makeup from your face, and in the same time doesn't clog your pores, so leave your skin smooth, clean, and beautiful, hydrated, moisturized, all these beautiful stuff. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna remove my lenses. Of course, don't do this method with any lenses on because you're gonna use oils, so you need to remove your lenses if you have any in your eyes. And I'm gonna remove the false lashes before doing anything. And yeah, let's do it.
Life gets really tough. It's not a game that we are playing. Just reflect and stop the shaming. No one wants this, especially you. If you don't think we care, then you're the fool. If you don't think we care, then you're the fool. You let others in if they don't tell you the truth. You'd rather them lie than say they don't.
Okay, hi everyone again. So let's start our tutorial, and as you can see what I'm gonna use, as I told you, I'm gonna use this cotton pad that I made and a coconut. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna take just a small amount of the coconut oil and apply it to my cotton pad and make sure it distributed nicely on my cotton pad, and then begin to rub it against my skin in a circular motion and begin to remove all the makeup. So as you can see, that's what I'm gonna do actually, and I'm gonna use 2 cotton pads, 1 pad for each half, so I make sure my skin is clean as much as possible, and at the same time not like mixing all the stuff together because I have a lot of makeup right now, so I need to make sure I removed everything. And that's actually what I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna do anything else, so I'm gonna leave you now to see what I'm doing, the process, and how I rub it against my skin, how I remove my makeup, and I'm gonna see you at the end of this video. So enjoy watching, and I'm gonna see you soon. So as you can see, my face is almost clean. The coconut removed almost all the makeup. Of course, there's some residue still on my skin, but this will be completely gone when I wash my face with my face cleanser as usual. But as you can see, almost gone. I still have some of the mascara on my lashes, but I don't want to rub it with the oils. I just want to like clean it with the cleanser and everything will be beautiful. I don't feel my skin tight because I used oil, so I removed that, break down the makeup and remove everything, almost everything, and at the same time I hydrate my skin with the coconut oil, so now when I wash my face I will feel my face so fresh and like nice. So yeah, this is usually the method that I use when I have so much makeup or I have a dark kind of makeup. As I saw, I have kind of a black makeup. I remove the eyeshadow very quickly without even rubbing it, just like with one swipe it's completely gone. So yeah, I use 2 bags of cotton. As you can see, it looks so beautiful. So yeah, this is it for how get unready with me, how to remove the makeup, like as I usually do, like forever actually. So yeah, this is it. I really hope you like this video and it was helpful, and of course as usual, don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and share the video with your friends if you like it, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. These links will be in the description box down below, and don't forget to hit the bell button so you have a notification every time I upload a new video on my channel. And I'm gonna see you soon in my next video. I love you so much. Bye.